Divide. I can't wait to ride my scooter. What is this thing? It seems like I see this thing before. Oh well, I'll just ride my scooter anyway. Alright, here we go. What is that? What is that sound? What? Huh? What is? Huh? Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! This is a jet engine! Oh, blue flowers!
Oh my, what in the world was that?
Was that Poe?
What is going on?
Let's get on the jet engine!
Ah, it's a nice day today. The sun is shining, the sidewalk is sidewalky, and the wind is breezing nicely. What could go wrong?
Yeah!
What was that? What was that? Was that Poe? What was going on? Whoa, like what was that? Cupcake! Oh, hey Squarey, did you see that? Oh yeah, I'm chasing after Poe. Somehow she's going really fast and I can't keep up. Well, that's because you have no legs. Well, you don't have any too. Look, just hop on top of me. I'm much faster than you. Oh, okay, if you say so.
This isn't a jet engine, it's a rocket engine!
Alright, so what should we do today?
I don't know.
Yeah, me either.
Guys!
Whoa, Cupcake, what's going on?
Poe was riding on her scooter super fast!
Yeah, I know, she's really good at it.
No, she was actually she sped right past us about 1 second. Wait, what? But Poe isn't that fast. I mean, she is fast, but not that fast. Well, she was, and it looked like there was something attached to her scooter.
Something attached? How fast was Poe going?
It was 1,000 miles per second.
1,000 miles per second?
Yes. Wait a minute. 1,000 miles per second. Wait a minute. Do you mean a jet engine? Yeah, jet engine.
Poe must be riding a scooter with a jet engine on it.
Yeah, where is Poe?
I don't know, we're gonna ask you where she is. We haven't seen Poe, but how did she get a jet engine on her scooter? I don't know.
Maybe it appeared from far away.
Oh yeah, I think I remember a time she had a jet engine on her scooter before, and that wasn't good at all.
But guys, where is Poe?
I don't know, we were looking for her all day. Yeah!
Get out of the way!
I wanna get off!
Poe, what's going on?
I can't make the scooter stop because of the silly jet engine! Oh, have you ever thought of getting off the scooter? No, never thought of that!
Alright, Poe, when I count to 3, jump off the scooter. 1, 2, 3.
Hurry up!
Poe, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Oh, I'm glad. That silly jet engine is back, isn't it?
Yeah, turns out it was.
Where's your scooter?
It flew off with the jet engine. Oh no! I don't see it anymore.
It must have went away.
Oh no! My scooter's gone! Oh dear.
Oh, I'm sorry about your scooter, Poe.
That's my most favorite thing in the world. And it's gone. Oh, my poor scooter.
I'm sorry about the loss of your scooter, my friend.
There, Po. It's alright, it's alright.
Well, thanks, guys, for comforting me, but I want my scooter back. What? Wait, what was that? Huh? My scooter! Oh, Scooter, I missed you! Oh, I completely forgot that you could come to me.
Well, I'm glad you have your scooter back, Paul.
Yeah, I missed you, Scooter. Even though you're not really that fast, I still love you no matter what. Mwah! Big hug for Scooter. Ah. Oh, look, everybody! It's time for a magical event! Come on, to the magical event place we go! See you later, Scooter.
Oh, there you are, Cupcake. Alright, when we hear a sound in the distance, we go to it. Let's listen. Alright, where's Cupcake?
I'm like right here. Oh, there you are.
So, let's see what we can see. Guys, what are those red things?
Oh, they're ladybugs. They're so pretty.
That must be a magical event. Let's watch.
That was so pretty. Uh-huh.
And great, too.
Uh-huh. So, up for lunch?
Like, totally.
It's Tubby Toast time. Yay!
Tubby toast in my tummy.
Uh-huh. We love Tubby Toast.